You just downloaded the controller's toolbox, and what we need to do next is extract the files. So right click, extract files, and we're going to go ahead and save this to our desktop to have quicker access to them later on. Always double check that they are saved in the correct spot and the reports are in their designated folders. Let's move on to Fishbowl. You should be in your Reports module and you want to create a new folder. And we're going to name this the Controller's Toolbox 2020. Now take your Documents folder and go to your desktop where we saved the Controller's Toolbox. We're going to right click on the first folder, hit Rename, highlight, and press Ctrl+C to copy. And then we're going to create a new folder under the Controller's Toolbox. Rename this new folder. Press Ctrl+V and it'll paste. You're going to repeat the same exact step for the following 4 folders, like so. Okay, now we're going to upload our reports. So hit Upload, Browse, go back to the desktop, select the right Toolbox 2020, select the first folder and the first report, press Open, Next, and put it in its designated area and finish. And you're going to go ahead and repeat the same exact step for every single report that is in its designated folder. For this example, I did speed up the process, but when you do it, I do recommend you go slow and you take the time to carefully ensure that each of the reports are in the designated folder. Once you do that, everything should be organized and easy to access and ready to use.